Now we'll bring our hands into our lap with the right hand, the back of the right hand resting in the palm of the left, touching the thumb tips together and pointing them forward, not up, but forward. Sitting nice and tall, the chest is lifted. Now look to the look to the tip of the nose. Let your eyes slide down to the tip of the nose. And we'll breathe in that 4 very precise segmented sniffs of breath, inhaling, vibrating sa, ta, na, ma, and holding the breath, cycling satanama, 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 satanama. 2 powerful breaths out. Wahe Guru. And keep going. Very precisely breathing in with the mental application of sa, ta, na, ma, and then circulating this cycle of infinity in 4 rounds. Satanama, 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 and then powerfully exhaling quite explosively 2 times. Wahe Guru. Amplifying your infinite nature. Keep going. Filling the lungs completely on your 4 sniffs in, holding comfortably, and completely emptying on the 2 powerful breaths out. Not forcing anything, just have a sense of graceful, effortless effort. It's powerful mastery when you get this breath down, the Shabad Kriya. Become a better lover, better fighter, highly creative, very neutralized. You have a lot of balanced energy. It's very rejuvenating, this Shabad Kriya breath practice. Really, really good for your brain functionality and health. It's great for your heart and glandular system. We're going to keep going here for about another 3 minutes. One more round. Let your breath come into a natural rhythm. Sit quietly. Keep your hands in the mudra. Let the eyes gently close and roll upward. Good. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful.